Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, today from Standard 6 English Medium, Unit 9. In this unit, there is a poem named What If. I have completed the explanation of the poem and some of the MCQs. Now, rest of the MCQs I am going to explain. Now, here the first MCQ. This passage has been taken from the poem. So, which poem is mentioned here? The name of the poem is answer B. What if? Number second, the name of the poet is What if? Who has written the What if poem? Shel Silverstein, R.N. Tagore, Mary O'Neill, Peter Dixon. So, this What if poem has written who? Option A, Shel Silverstein. MCQ number 3. Who might start a war? Who might start a war? Option A, the speaker's enemies, terrorists, the foreigners, the people of the world. So, the war might start by whom? By the people of the world. Now, MCQ number 4. The speaker's fear was logical, illogical, necessary, unnecessary. So, the speaker's fear about what? What if I had done this? So, this speaker's fear was unnecessary. What? Unnecessary. Not necessary, unnecessary. Now, the word swell in the passage means in the last stanza. What is the word meaning? Same meaning of the word swell. So, the swell is, the word is adjective. What? The adjective. Then comes to next. Now here see, there are MCQs, objective type question. Choose the correct option. Number 1. The child has worries because the child of the poem has worries because he is overburdened, he is tired. Third, of a fearful nature, the family environment. So the child has worries because of a fearful nature. He has worried about a lot of, if he failed, what if he died, what if his parents got divorced. So his worries about what? Worries of fearful nature. Third is the correct answer. The second, the cause of fearfulness is. The cause of fearfulness is what? A great terror, lack of confidence, the dark night, not doing the work. The cause of fearful is what? Lack of confidence. He is not confident child. He has lack of confidence to do this and that. Now, number 3. Fear will disappear if we, fear of the child will disappear if we, options, do not think of it, kill it, believe in God, make the devil our master. Fear will disappear when we believe in God. If we believe in God, fear will not come to us. Fear will disappear if we believe in God. MCQ number 4. God is merciful as. God is merciful as. He looks after us, keeps our record. He looks after, he wants us. He is busy in his work. So God is merciful as he looks after us. He takes care us. He looks after us. That is the reason. God is very merciful for us. Number 5. The mentioned what if. The mentioned what ifs in the poem are. Option: what if I rise late in the morning? What if I am dumb in school? What if I fall down? What if I push others? So the mention what ifs in the poem means what? What if I am dumped in school? What if I am dumped in school? This is the correct answer. Then next, number 6. The what ifs in day to day life can be. The what ifs in day to day life can be. Options: my parents might get divorced. Options: second, maybe someone poisons me. Third, what if my classmate laughed at me? 4, what if I do not do my homework? So the question, the what ifs in day to day life. In day to day life. What? About the child. So option number 3 is the correct answer. What if my classmates laughed at me? Means day to day life. What happened? MCQ number 7. The word flunk. Flunk means. What is the meaning of the word flunk? So here pass, second fail, third fall, and 4 feel low. So the word flunk means what? The word flunk means fail. What? Fail. Fail in the exam. Flunk meaning. MCQ number 8. The antonym of cry. The antonym of cry is what? Wept, laugh, tear, tears. So the antonym means the opposite word of cry is laugh. What? Laugh. MCQ number 9. Daydreamer. Daydreaming should be avoided. Daydreaming should be avoided. The word means this, daydreaming should be avoided. What is the meaning of this word daydreaming? Number 1, dreaming when wide awake. Dreaming in the morning. Or third number, dreaming and sleeping. So daydreaming should be avoided. Daydreaming. So daydreaming means dreaming when wide awake. Dreaming when wide awake. First number is the correct answer. Now number 10. What if in your life should mean. What if in your life should mean. Options: what if I chance to dream? What if I daydream? What if I do not see a dream? And what if I fall? So what if in your life should means number 1. What if I chance to dream? I have chance for what? For dreaming. So first is the correct answer. So students, this is the explanation of the MCQ of this poem. Poem unit 9 Poem name What If. What If, written by Sylvester Stallone. I hope you understand about this MCQ, and this MCQ you should write in your notebook. Thank you.